Lot of emphasis has been laid on preserving rainwater. But how much rainwater is useful and its purity is a matter of question. Collecting and using rainwater can be a great way to conserve resources. There are people who use rainwater for bathing, watering plants, cleaning, and even drinking, but only when it is treated properly and the water quality becomes appropriate for the intended use. People think that rainwater is like distilled water and is the purest form of water, but this is not correct. Lot of impurities are in the rainwater and it needs to be treated before it can be used for cleaning the vessels and for drinking purpose. It may be useful for many things, but certainly not for consuming it. Rainwater can carry bacteria, parasites, viruses, and chemicals that can make you sick. It depends on how the rainwater is collected and stored. Before it is collected, lot of dust particles present in air are in it. It depends on which surface the rainwater is landing. Roofing materials and piping can make lot of difference, such as asbestos. Dirt and number of germs can be washed from the roof of your building. To avoid getting sick, use this rainwater only for watering those plants which you are not going to consume. Don't use this water to wash your utensils, which are going to be used in cooking or placing an eatable items on it. Avoid using rainwater for brushing and cleaning your teeth. So it is very clear that rainwater should not be used for drinking, bathing, or cooking, or even rinsing your teeth or washing your utensils. Before using rainwater, it should be properly treated. Take care. Filtration will only remove some germs and chemicals. Treating rainwater with chlorine and iodine will kill some germs, but it is not going to remove chemicals and toxins from it. Boiling will only kill germs and will not remove chemical